Hello kids, how are you? I hope you're enjoying your summer vacation. It was a much needed break that you required. You have been studying so hard, so you do need to enjoy your summer break as well. I know you are very responsible kids and you're going to study as well as enjoy. Now here I am today to show you how to grow money plant in discarded vessels. It can be a glass or a bowl or any discarded vessel. And you can grow money plant in soil as well as in water. And if you plant it right, it grows beautifully and you can use it to decorate your room or your home, or you can also gift it. So let's begin. Here I have taken a discarded cup which has soil in it, and I have also taken a few marbles to decorate the cup later on, to decorate the plant. If you don't have it, it's fine. Now I have taken a few stems of money plant along with the leaves from my balcony. I'm going to cut the stem, keeping the tiny roots, the nodes intact. Can you see the nodes? The roots will appear from here. So it's very important that you cut it properly. Now I'm going to put the leaves and the stem along with the stem into the soil, making sure that the nodes go into the soil because the roots are going to grow from there. If you have excess stem which you don't need, you can cut it. Just making sure the nodes go into the soil. Now I'm going to water it. We're going to put a little water so that the soil is moist. Now you can add the marbles just for decoration, so that when you look at the money plant, you also see the marbles and it looks beautiful. There you go. I have taken some marbles again, and I've taken a discarded mason jar. You can take any glass or any discarded vessel for that matter. Now I'm going to put the marbles into the jar. I'm going to fill the jar with the marbles. Now when it is 3/4 full, when the jar is almost full, I'm going to put stems along with the leaves into it, making sure again the nodes go into the water. Now I am going to add more marbles so that the jar is completely full. Now I'll pour water into the jar. I'm going to fill the jar with water so that all the nodes are in water. And there you are. See how nice it looks. You can see the marbles and the money plant. So here is the other one too. All ready to decorate your room. Way to go.